Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the tutorials in Ibispaint X. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, if you want to check out the tutorials once again, you can just press on the settings symbol in the top of your right corner, and now you can just press on show tutorials again, and you can just press on yes, and now you will see that is already appearing above the my gallery section. Tap this button to start painting, and you can just simply see instructions. Now whatever you're going to do in this application, wherever you're going to go, you will see instructions to help you out how to do certain things. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.